earn up to $2,356 to $5,000 monthly. Top ways to make money online with integrity. You're here because you want to learn how to make money online, then you're in the right place. Based on my years of experience earning an online income, this list of legitimate ways to actually make money online will get you started in the right direction. We are going to start first with the top ways to make money online with a long term focus and sustainable future. If you're looking to build a true online business or start a side business idea that has the potential to truly change your life, and you're not afraid of investing months and years of work into the business, this is where you should start. Through my years of experience and research, I've consistently found the following ideas have the best potential to create a steady stream of recurring revenue. They'll take a lot of effort, but if you're willing to put in the work, they could change your life like they have for me. One quick thing to note before we dive in. I'm going to be talking a lot about your niche. For every way of making money online that we cover here, if you're unfamiliar with this term, all it means is your unique topic, angle, market, audience, or voice that will make people stand up and notice your business. It's a competitive space online. The more you can differentiate what you do from what's out there already, the better chance you have for success. Alright, now without out of the way, let's get into my ultimate guide on how to make money online. Number one, build a niche blog or website and use affiliate marketing. If there's a niche you're interested in and you can build a decent audience around it, starting a blog and using affiliate marketing to generate income is a credible way to make money online. I know firsthand that learning to start a blog, let alone make money from it, can be massively undertaking. The good news though is that it doesn't cost much to blog these days, around $65 per year for the basic costs. Here's my primer about how much web hosting costs if you want to dig deeper. So I put together a free master course for you to take that spreads out all the work involved in starting a blog into a series of action-packed lessons. My free course breaks the entire process of starting a blog down into an incredible, simple 7-day process for going from zero to brainstorming the best blog post ideas, publishing and promoting your first blog post in just 1 week. So, as we continue, blogging takes time, but website owners like myself and my friends Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income have built life-changing careers through affiliate marketing. In fact, Pat even publishes his income reports online, showing how he made over $2 million in the past 12 months alone. So if you're wondering, do people still read blogs? The answer is yes. Let's start with the basics of building your own niche website and blog, then get into how affiliate marketing will work for you. First, you need to research and validate a profitable affiliate niche. What this means is, are there companies in your niche who will pay you to send customers their way? You can check this in a number of ways. Become an Amazon associate, then use my free keyword research tool to find an in-demand niche. With more than a million different products to choose from and up to 10% commission the sales you drive, Amazon's affiliate program is a great way to get started. Browse their available products and see what connects with you, or take it a step further and use Google Keyword Planner to quickly do some keyword research and check out how many people are searching for a specific term. Sign up for a reputable affiliate network. Aside from Amazon, there are dozens of top affiliate programs for bloggers and even large reputable affiliate networks such as Share a Sale, ClickBank, and Skimlinks that specialize in connecting you with merchants who are looking for affiliates to sell their products. They charge relatively low commission fees for the privilege of connecting you with merchants, and the merchants on this site tend to offer much higher commission percentage or set dollar amount payout. Research individual companies in your desired niche. If possible, it's always better to become an affiliate directly with a company, as no one else will be dipping into your commission rate. This is the preferred route for most of the prominent affiliate marketers, including Pat. Unfortunately, it's, it's also the most work, as you have to do the research yourself to see who offers programs. Now that you know your niche and have signed up for relevant affiliate programs, it's time to build out your blog and learn how to write a blog post that can drive traffic your way. Start by learning how to name a blog and buying the right domain name, such as www.myaffiliateblog.com. That works for your niche on a domain register like Bluehost, DreamHost, or Namecheap. Bluehost even has even has a nifty domain name availability checker, so you use right there to quickly find out whether or not your desired URL is available. Want to start a blog? Next, you need a domain first. Once you've got your domain name, you need a platform to build your website. While you could pick a free option like Tumblr, Blogger, WordPress.com, or another website builder, this won't give you the flexibility or authority you need to build a truly successful affiliate site. Instead, go with a self-hosted site like my blog. This means your blog will be hosted on your own server and you have full control over it. There are tons of highly reputable, affordable companies you can choose a web hosting plan with to get your website online, like Bluehost, A2 Hosting, DreamHost, or one of these monthly web hosting services. Then once you've got your domain name and hosting sorted out, it's time to pick a CMS or content management system that will let you update pages, build your blog, and integrate with all the other services you need. Keep in mind that eventually, as you start growing traffic to your blog, you'll be wise to upgrade from your starter cheap hosting plan, shared hosting plan, or free hosting plan and into something like a managed WordPress holding setup where all the settings are custom tailored and optimized to work particularly with WordPress powered websites. Now next, we want to pick a WordPress theme from somewhere like Elementor, ThemeForest, Elegant Themes, or Optimized Press that you can use today. This is the bare bones blog layout, which you can then customize with your own branding, copy, and images. That being said, you don't want to cheap out. It costs less than $100 to buy a theme that will make your website look professional, and you can upgrade it to a completely custom design once you get the business going. You also need strong marketing tools to grow your website, like HubSpot all-in-one marketing plugin. Like I said, this process can be a bit overwhelming, and that's why I put together this free video to help you break down the processes to get your blog off the ground and generating readers in less than 1 week.